Hi, I'm Eric from Pipeliner CRM, and I'm going to show you how to use something that we've just released in our latest version, a feature called Sales Actions. Sales Actions are vital parts of each opportunity, and when turned on, they appear at the bottom of our Opportunity Detail view. Consider Sales Actions as required fields that get you to a sale. With this feature, managers can decide what information is necessary for each opportunity at which stage. Setting up sales actions like this prevent unwarranted optimism or unrealistic expectations from clogging up the pipeline. For instance, to qualify a lead, we're going to accomplish a simple task to understand what budget is available for our product or service. Without this information, we can't consider our lead qualified. By default, sales actions are turned off. To turn them on, go to your profile in the upper right-hand corner and select Administration. Next, select Fields and Forms. We'll choose Opportunity Form. Here, you can see that we have more than one pipeline. You may only have one, and therefore you'll only see this part. At any rate, click Edit Form. On the right side of the screen, make sure Sales Actions are toggled on. On the left are all the fields and opportunities. As we scroll down, notice the numbered stages. Note that the stage names are the same as the stages in your pipeline. For our budget example, we'll create a new field. We're going to name it Budget and display it as an integer number. Hit Save. Now, we just need to drag and drop our newly created field into the appropriate sales stage. We'll also make this action required. And while we're at it, we'll set minimal value to 0 since budget cannot be less than 0. Maximal value will remain intact. Hit Save. If you want to remove or edit settings of that field, click here to this gear icon. If you want to move your field to another stage, click here and drag it and then drop it onto that required stage. Hit Close. Pipeliner remembers all your changes, so you can do this over and over as you define your custom process without having to publish your changes continually. Now that we're ready, we'll click the big green button that says Publish Changes. Now we'll close the administration window and hit Synchronize Now. Great! Now we'll see this in action. Double-click on your opportunity, scroll to the bottom, and boom! Budget is the required number field for qualification. Just think, we created in our drag and drop wizard an effective way to keep our sales process clean and consistent. Everyone now uses the same sales actions in their process, while Pipeliner keeps track. If you're interested in other new features that come with Pipeliner Principia, check one of these.